about this one. Okay. So how many neutrons are there in 1.4 in 10 power minus 6 gram lithium? That's I wrote you. Okay. Now 7 is your number of neutron plus number of proton. Number of proton are okay 3. Number of neutron will be 4. Okay, this one. This. Now 7. If I talk about this one, 1 mole lithium has how much mass? 7 gram.
7 grams.
Okay. Then we have this much amount of 1.4 10 power minus 6 gram lithium. So how many lithium atoms are there? So I'm just using that formula. Number, I have to find number of atoms. Number of atoms divided by Avogadro number. 6 into 10 to the power 23. Then mass which is given to us is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the atomic weight is 7 grams. Okay, that is also in grams. Now let's solve number of atoms. It is your, let's take it as y atoms. So y is 1 into 1.4 10 power minus 6 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 7. Okay, 7, it is your 0.2. So 1.2, and it is 23 and minus 6. So that will become 17. So number of lithium atom is this much, 1.2 into 10 to the power 17. Got it? Any doubt?
Sir,
Any doubt? Okay, please tell me.
sir,
Sir, if you teach us the basic formula, we could also solve.
Basic formula I taught you yesterday, na? Okay, again I am teaching you this one.
sir,
Yes.
I was not present yesterday.
Okay, you were not present. Okay, those who are not present, just call me. So this is number of particle, Avogadro number divided by Avogadro number equal to weight given, that is divided by gram atomic mass. That is your this basic formula. Okay, so just applying this to the basic formula, we get number of atoms. What are this? Lithium atoms that have
Sir, would it be same for protons or electrons?
yes, because in a neutral atom, proton and electron are same until unless it is an ion, positive ion, cation, anion,
Yes.
they are not same. But for the neutral atom, their proton and electron are same. Okay, that I will
no doubt.
in atomic structure uh, in a detailed manner. Here we are just
Excuse me,
doing
sir.
the basic calculation, so I am not going into that much detail. So lithium atom, that is your Y lithium atoms, are this much, 1.2 10 power 17. Okay, any other question? I will
Sir,
happy to answer.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can't we like do it in this way, like 7 grams of lithium?
Mm-hmm.
It has um okay, yeah, 4 neutrons
No.
and
7 gram. See,
oh
7
no,
gram.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
This,
Yeah,
this,
that is
this is a
1 mole
huge
of
number.
lithium
Yeah.
atoms is 7 grams.
That is for one lithium atom. Na? 4 neutron is for one lithium atom. And we are talking about 1 mole. Okay, so 1 mole is a huge number. Okay, any other question? Please ask. Okay, so now let's move forward. So 1.10 power 17. So each lithium atom has how many? Each lithium atom has 4 neutron. Okay, we just calculated it here. Each lithium has 4 neutrons. So here each lithium atom has 4 neutrons. How many lithium atoms we have? 1.2 into 10 to the power 17. So 1.2 into 10 to the power 17 will have x neutrons. So x will be just okay. Doing the basic maths of your 5th, 6th class, so you will get the answer 12 for the 48. So that will be 4.8 into 10 to the power 17. So that is the answer. Okay, now you can ask me again. I am telling you again, I am repeating the same question. The question is, how many neutrons are there in 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram lithium? This is the notation. This is the notation. Okay. So when I write 7, 7 is your mass number. Mass number is neutron plus proton here. Okay, neutron plus proton. This one. And proton here it is 3 proton. So obviously neutron will be 4. Okay, that is easier step. Now again the formula that you have, number of particles, here we have number of particles, number of atoms divided by Avogadro number. Okay, then we have 1.4 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 7 gram. 7 gram is the atomic weight. Okay, gram atomic weight. Got it? This one. So this is the calculation for y. So we just calculate it, comes as 1.10 power 17. Now each lithium atom contain 4 neutron. So 1.2 10 power 17 contain x neutrons. So that is your 4.8 into 10 power 17 neutrons there. That is the final answer. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding the previous chapter, those who were there yesterday, please ask. Okay. Then again I am giving you the question. Okay. Okay. How many okay, let's take something very easy. Helium atoms are there